After setting up index fields, document types, putting document types into folders, setting up users, and putting users into groups, you need a way to control access to all of that information in the system. This is done by using a combination of roles and user groups. We're going to start by taking a look at roles. In the top menu, select Admin, then Roles. Here you'll see a list of roles that are already in the system. And if you look at one of those roles, you'll be able to see that it is a grouping of permissions. General permissions, admin options, index options, search options, and reports, each one of those areas having their own options for additional permissions. We're going to set up a new role. We're going to call it HR Clerk, and this role will be for the Human Resources Department. We'll allow an HR clerk to search, index, upload, see Edit Profile link in Settings, and change their user settings. We will not give them admin permissions. We'll allow them to delete and edit index, add notes, view notes, and search archives. Lastly, we will give them permission to upload index templates. Click Save. Now that we have a new role, we can assign that role to one of the user groups in a department. Let's go to Departments and choose a user group. From the Human Resources Department, we will select the HR Support user group and click the blue Edit button. Here you'll see that our HR Clerk role is now an available role for the HR Support user group. So, we're going to add that. Roles are additive in that if a particular user is a member of the Human Resources group and they have multiple roles assigned to that group, whichever role has the most permissions is what that user will have. So in most cases, it makes sense to limit a single role to a user group. Let's save that. Now we can look at who is in the HR Support group. Click the User Group button. As you can see, we have not added a user, so we will add one now. Select the user you'd like to add and click Save. Now, we need to assign our role to this user. Click Change Role to assign a role using the drop-down list, then click Save. Clicking the Edit button next to the user will bring you to a page that lists their current permissions from the group role. You may grant this individual user additional permissions by clicking Edit User Permissions. As you can see, this user group does not allow users to delete notes. If you'd like to grant this user the ability to delete notes, simply check the Delete Notes box, then click Save. So, there you have it. These are the basics of managing roles.